Hi friends, I am Joel John, YouTube blogger, and this I am going to show my pocket knife, which could be hanged with a belt like this. This is a belt I purchased with the logo, BMW car logo, and this is a pocket knife which comes with this cover so that you can put it on your belt buckles and don't carry it. I don't know how the legal department will react if you carry a knife, whether it's permitted or not, I don't know. But still, this knife was really beautiful, that's why I took it there. And this is also something which you can carry all the places for your safety, because it comes with a torchlight. You see this is a torchlight. So if you just make it dark, this flashes out. So this is the torch over here, you see on my hand. Okay, so this is a kind of a torch which comes along with that. So if you make it loose, the torch goes off. So this is a kind of a mechanism, and this is a foldable pocket knife. And if you look at this knife from this angle, this looks like a gun, right? And also it has a clip, so you can also clip it in your packet. Looks good now. Actually you have to clip it this way. Okay, so what for I purchased this one is, there are a lot of models in this. I really purchased this one because this is very deadly, and it could be even used as an assault weapon. I'll talk about that to you in detail. So if you look at this is the lock which will be locking the release button. This is the release button and this is the lock. So now it's locked, so if I really click on the release button, it's not getting released. So I have to press this release button and up and unrelease. So now the release button, release lock is removed. So now if I press the release button, the knife will come out. Okay, so now if I have to close it again I have to press this release button, and then only I can fold it. Once I fold it, I have to release that. So again it gets locked, and now the lock for this release button, I have to push it to this position. Now the release button is locked. So if you click on this release button, it's not getting out. So now I have to again release the lock of the release button, then click on that, my knife is back. So why I selected this knife is, this is really deadly, because this has a hold for the finger over here. So if I can catch like this and then attack, chuck, the reverse flow will be less, and also the knife won't move out of the handle. The handle grip will be high. So this is a lethal weapon which I can see like that. And also it comes with some spaces to make things blend things, I don't know. So this knife can be used for apple cutting also but this is really a pocket knife which you can carry if you are going to the wild or something. If you face a very deadly situation, or to cut your rope or anything, this is enough sharp, really sharp. Further I cannot cut my finger and show, but this is really sharp. And so this is the pocket knife which I purchased with the light. So it's an emergency rescue pocket knife as well, I can say it that way. So if you have this light on, let's switch on the light. Yeah, the torchlight is on with the knife. So it looks like you don't have a bayonet over here, but it looks like 303 rifles, or rifles with bayonet you would have seen, right? It looks like that when you look from a long angle. See, it looks typically like a gun. So it was really beautiful, and it was mind blowing. I cannot carry this in plane as I think so, but when I travel by bike or car or by any other mode of transport, I will be taking this back to Chennai, because I like to have it along always with me, but I won't carry it out of my home. So this is about that. This is about the knife which I purchased. Now I have to again try to fold it. Yeah, folding back. Now locked. It's not locked. It's in open position. So again I have to close it back and unlock. So now if I release, it won't get released. So release the lock button and then unlock it. Yeah, it's getting it back. So hold the lock button, fold it. Okay friends, this is about the pocket knife which I purchased, and along with that I got a blending device. So this is that one. This is, it will be somewhat rough, when you go for on olden days. Now they are using electronic method. On olden days, if you are going to keep your jewelry, they will take the jewelry and just catch on something and see that whether it's fully gold or aluminum is inside and only gold plated. So that's the kind of rough surface it is. But this is mainly used for blending the sharpen edges. In some cases the molding won't be correct. At that time you can use this to blend it. I will just rub my fingers and see. Right, it's blending well. So this is mainly I purchased because in my bike on the sari guard there are some sharp points which I saw, and I went to many mechanic and I was asking for this device. Do you have this so that you can blend my blend the sharp points in the sari guard? But nobody had that, but somehow I managed to got it. But my mic is on Chennai, I am going, but I cannot carry this as I am going by flight. So friends, and I told you this BMW logo on the starting of this video. I am a fan of hi-fi cars. I also have showed you the Mercedes-Benz logo belt which I purchased, and to make me enjoy these kinds of cars on real life, if someone has, and if you are okay on me putting a review on your luxury cars, you can always feel free to text on the comment box, or you can send an email to my email ID. It's joeljohnjcbd@gmail.com, or you can call or text on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +918939182075. You can text to my WhatsApp number, and so that I can do a review of your beautiful cars. And it's not that only BMW and Mercedes, it could be even a Maruti Alto or something. Anything I can do a review and put a video on that. You can also be a part of that, and if you don't want to be, that's also, it's always up to you. And if you have a retail showroom or something, then also you can call me for putting a vehicle review. And to make me buy these cars, this kind of luxury, and have a joyful life, it's everybody can come be a part of it. How to do that? Press the subscribe, it's free. Press the thumbs up, that's also free. Share your comments on the comment box. Start a conversation. Reply to the earlier comments which others have put. Like that, you can start it up, so that the communication will flow, and many people will be attracted. And whenever you meet your friends or relatives, you can just press the share button below and send it to their WhatsApp my video, and ask them to click the link, open it on YouTube and subscribe. That's it. That's a very big contribution you do, and ask them to do that as a chain reaction. Many successful bloggers like Madan Gauri, everybody ask people to speak about their videos at the end of the video, and that's what I am also trying. So to make me as a successful in YouTube is on your hands. Share, and also ask them to share and share. So that's the mantra of this. And if you are financially very rich, or if you have something you can think you can contribute, there are slabs starting from rupees 29 to 7,999, which are the contribution of various slabs. That's how I call it. There are also special offerings for that. If you start getting into the mode, I will be coming up with the offerings, but please don't expect me to do that on every month. I will do that. And if you are not getting anything, if you want to communicate, comment below my videos, or as I already gave my WhatsApp number on this, you can always WhatsApp to me. So I have to end up this video. It's already 8 minutes plus video. So as I said, you subscribe, share, and ask your friends, relatives, everyone to share. When you share, also send it with the text, share this to others, so that also share this and subscribe, so that my YouTube journey goes much higher, and you will be the person who is making me successful on YouTube. Okay friends, and this video is from Thoothukudi, and this is the last series of videos which I am making, and rest will be from Chennai, as I am moving back to Chennai when a long leave because of the pandemic situation in all over the world. So I have to be back to the work. We have to bring back our economy. Bringing back our economy is not on one person's hands. Everyone should remain, not on any country. All over the world, that's not possible. For one person, they can bring up with reforming ideas, they can guide us, they can support us, they can guard us, they can guard the economy of the country only to a certain limit. Only the work we put, the foreign exchange we earn, the time we utilize and make it a revenue generating source, and the moral values which we share and follow, That's going to make the country's economy much better. But also, as YouTube is an earning profession, the support which you voluntarily give me make me to earn more money, that gives tax to the government. And also foreign exchange is there, because it's all over the world. You can use your WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. to share my videos to people all over the world. When everyone watches the ads on that, we get foreign exchange as well, as money from other country viewers also will be getting money from their ads, so like that, so on. I cannot explain the full. I explained that on other videos. So okay friends, all of you, I think, will be back to the working mode and also contribute to the economic development of the nation and the world and the prosperity of all the people living over the world. Okay, it's time to say bye. It's your Joe Janjay signing off. Bye.